Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best mechanical keyboards on AliExpress in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're covering 10 amazing keyboards that deliver great typing feel, build quality, features, and value, all shipped from AliExpress. Whether you're a gamer, typist, or keyboard enthusiast, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK104 Pro is a full-size 104-key mechanical keyboard with tri-mode connectivity, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C wired. It features hot-swappable sockets supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. The keyboard comes pre-installed with factory-lubed TTC silent red linear switches and double-shot PBT keycaps. RGB backlighting is fully customizable with south-facing LEDs to avoid interference with keycaps. The GK104 Pro impresses with a solid build and minimal flex. The wireless 2.4 GHz mode delivers low latency comparable to wired keyboards, making it perfect for competitive gamers who hate cable clutter. Typing on the silent red switches is smooth and quiet, great for both work and gaming. The PBT keycaps feel durable and resist shine, so they'll look great for years. The software lets you customize RGB lighting and program macros, but it's currently only available in Mandarin, which might be a little tricky to navigate. Battery life is solid, lasting up to 10 days with moderate use. Pros: multiple wireless modes, 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, wired USB-C, hot-swappable sockets for easy switch replacement, quiet linear switches ideal for shared spaces, full RGB with south-facing LEDs for better keycap compatibility, dedicated media wheel and function keys. For under $90, the SKYLOONG GK104 Pro is the perfect all-rounder for gamers and office users wanting wireless convenience and solid build quality. Number 2. AULA F108/Pro. The AULA F108/Pro offers a full-size or TKL layout with a CNC milled aluminum top plate, gasket-mounted for improved typing feel. It has hot-swappable sockets compatible with AULA's HiFi linear or tactile switches. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.3 multipoint and wired USB-C. RGB lighting includes both per-key and underglow effects. The F108 Pro's gasket mount noticeably softens typing bottomouts, providing a cushioned feel you'd expect from higher-end keyboards. The HiFi linear switches have a smooth, buttery sound with a satisfying thunk. The aluminum shell eliminates flex and adds premium heft. Battery life is around 180 hours with RGB off, dropping to about 20 hours with full RGB at max brightness. The keyboard also supports Mac layouts, with a physical switch for Mac/Win compatibility. Pros: gasket-mounted design for enhanced typing comfort. Premium CNC aluminum top plate with no flex. macOS support with hardware switch. Long battery life in Bluetooth mode. Hot-swappable sockets. If you prefer Bluetooth wireless and a soft gasket typing feel without breaking the bank, the AULA F108 Pro is a great choice. Number 3. FGG Madlions Mad 60 Pro and Mad 68 Pro. The FGG Madlions Mad 60 Pro and 68 Pro are compact 60% and 65% mechanical keyboards featuring magnetic Hall effect optical switches. These provide rapid actuation and 8 kHz polling over USB-C wired connection, with optional 2.4 GHz wireless at 1 kHz. The keyboards have hot-swappable Gateron KS37 optical switches, and come with polycarbonate plates and die-sub PBT keycaps. The magnetic Hall effect switches give you adjustable actuation points from 0.1 to 4.0 mm, letting you fine-tune responsiveness for gaming or typing. The 8 kHz polling rate is insanely fast, making it one of the lowest latency keyboards you can find on AliExpress. The typing sound is quite clacky out of the box, so adding foam mods can help soften it. The compact size makes it highly portable. Pros: adjustable actuation depth on magnetic optical switches. Ultra-low latency with 8 kHz polling. Hot-swappable optical switches. Compact 60% and 65% layouts. Durable polycarbonate plate and PBT keycaps. For competitive gamers wanting the fastest response times and customizable switch behavior, the Madlions Mad 68 Pro is an excellent pick. Number 4. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. This is an enhanced version of the GK104 Pro, adding a 1.14-inch color TFT screen that can display system stats, GIFs, and Spotify album art. It also features 3 programmable knobs for volume, RGB brightness, and macros. Connectivity and switches remain the same as the original GK104 Pro. The added screen is a neat feature, especially for streamers who want quick visual feedback. The knobs are tactile and customizable through software, giving you more control without alt-tabbing. Typing feel remains excellent with silent, factory-lubed switches. However, the screen consumes battery, reducing wireless runtime slightly. The screen brightness fades at angles, but it's still a fun addition. Pros: unique TFT screen for GIFs, system info, and media display. 3 programmable knobs with customizable functions. Silent switches with south-facing LEDs. Hot-swappable sockets and premium build. If you want a stylish, functional keyboard with unique screen and dial controls and don't mind paying a bit extra, this is a fantastic choice. Number 5. Akko MonsGeek M1V5. The Akko MonsGeek M1V5 is a 75% mechanical keyboard with AVIA-compatible PCB for easy remapping. It features 3 wireless modes, USB-C, 2.4 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.1. The keyboard is gasket-mounted with south-facing RGB and sports a toolless, quick-release design for fast disassembly and modding. Available as a barebone kit or pre-built with Akko V3 cream yellow switches. The toolless design makes it super easy to open the keyboard and swap switches or add mods like foam for better acoustics. The VIA support is a standout, allowing you to remap every key, program macros, and customize layers without any vendor bloatware. The stock acoustics are a bit hollow, so modding is recommended. Battery life is good, and the 2.4 GHz dongle cleverly stores inside the case for portability. Pros: full VIA support for easy remapping and macro programming. 3 wireless modes with stored dongle. Tool-less teardown for easy modding and repairs. Gasket-mounted for improved typing feel. South-facing RGB compatible with most keycaps. If you love tinkering and want a versatile, mod-friendly keyboard, the Akko MonsGeek M1V5 is a dream come true. Number 6. EPOMAKER RT100 97 key. The EPOMAKER RT100 is a 97 key, 95% layout mechanical keyboard featuring tri-mode connectivity. Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C. It has a mini OLED display that shows system info and custom animations. The keyboard is gasket-mounted for better typing comfort and hot-swappable, supporting various mechanical switches. The RGB lighting is fully customizable. The RT100 offers a great balance between compactness and functionality, fitting almost all keys except for the number pad. The mini OLED screen is a fun touch that can show volume, CPU usage, or even GIFs. Typing on the gasket-mounted frame feels soft and cushioned, reducing finger fatigue during long sessions. Bluetooth 5.0 offers a stable connection with minimal lag, and the 2.4 GHz dongle is perfect for gaming with low latency. Battery life is solid, lasting several days with RGB off. Pros: tri-mode wireless, Bluetooth 2.4G wired, gasket-mounted for cushioned typing feel. Mini OLED display for system info and customization. Hot-swappable switches. 97-key layout saves desk space while retaining functionality. For users wanting a versatile, wireless 95% layout with cool OLED customization, the EPOMAKER RT100 is a standout. Number 7. AULA F87 Pro. The AULA F87 Pro is a hot-swappable 87-key tankless TKL keyboard with tri-mode wireless, 2.4 GHz, USB-C wired, and Bluetooth 5.0. It features a gasket-mounted design, per-key RGB, and uses AULA's HiFi mechanical switches. The keyboard also supports multi-device Bluetooth pairing. The F87 Pro's gasket mount softens the typing feel, resulting in a more premium experience for a budget-friendly keyboard. The HiFi switches provide a smooth tactile bump with an enjoyable sound profile. Switching between Bluetooth devices is seamless, and the 2.4 GHz mode keeps latency low for gaming. The RGB effects are bright and customizable through AULA's software. Pros: multi-mode wireless with quick switching, gasket mount for better typing comfort, hot-swappable switch sockets, compact TKL design saves desk space, bright RGB with software control. If you want a compact TKL keyboard with flexible wireless modes and a soft typing feel, the AULA F87 Pro is a solid choice. Number 8. Ajazz AK35i V3. The Ajazz AK35i V3 is a wired 104-key full-size mechanical keyboard with out-EMU blue switches offering tactile and clicky feedback. It's designed for esports and office use, featuring RGB backlighting with multiple modes and an ergonomic design for comfortable typing. The AK35i V3 delivers classic mechanical keyboard feel with loud, satisfying clicks from out-EMU blue switches. The build is solid with a plastic frame, and the keycaps are ABS double-shot. RGB lighting is bright and vibrant, although the effects are mostly preset with limited customization. This keyboard is great for gamers who love audible feedback or typists who want a nostalgic clicky experience. Pros: classic clicky out-EMU blue switches, full-size layout with numpad, vibrant RGB lighting with several modes, affordable price, sturdy build for its price range. For fans of loud, clicky switches and full-size keyboards on a budget, the Ajazz AK820 V3 is a dependable choice. Number 9. X68HE ATTACK SHARK. The X68HE ATTACK SHARK is a wired gaming mechanical keyboard featuring magnetic Hall-effect switches with 0.01mm actuation precision and an ultra-high polling rate of 8000 Hz. It includes a SOCD cleaner and supports 0.125 milliseconds response times. The keyboard has customizable RGB lighting and a durable metal frame. This keyboard's Hall-effect magnetic switches provide nearly instantaneous key response and unbeatable durability, making it ideal for pro gamers. The extremely high polling rate means near-zero input lag, which can be crucial in fast-paced esports titles. The robust metal frame and RGB lighting add premium aesthetics. However, the feel is a bit different than traditional mechanical switches. It's lighter and faster but may feel less tactile. Pros: ultra-fast 0.125 milliseconds response with 8000 Hz polling. Hall-effect magnetic switches for durability and precision. SCD cleaner for advanced gaming macros. Solid metal frame. Customizable RGB lighting. For competitive gamers seeking the fastest response times and durability, the X68HE ATTACK SHARK is a pro-level keyboard. Number 10. Ajazz AK820/AK820 Pro. The Ajazz AK820 and its Pro version are 87-key TKL mechanical keyboards featuring Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C connections. The keyboards have a sealed button design with a heat exchange system to prevent overheating during long gaming sessions. Hot-swappable sockets support various switches, and the keyboard features RGB backlighting. The AK820 Pro adds Bluetooth 5.1 and improved wireless stability over the base model. Both offer a sturdy build with a plastic frame and comfortable PBT keycaps. The heat exchange design keeps the keyboard cool during intense gaming, which is a nice touch. Typing is smooth on the pre-installed out-EMU switches, but you can easily swap them out for your favorites. Battery life is good, lasting around a week on moderate use. Pros: triple wireless modes, Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz, wired, heat exchange sealed button design for durability, hot-swappable switch sockets, compact TKL layout, good battery life for wireless use. For gamers wanting wireless convenience with a durable design and hot swap flexibility, the Ajazz AK820 Pro is a smart pick. And that's a wrap on our top 10 mechanical keyboards on AliExpress for 2025. Whether you want blazing fast optical switches, wireless convenience, or modding heaven, these keyboards have you covered. If you want my personal favorite, it's the SKYLOONG GK104 Pro for its value and wireless performance, and for enthusiasts, the Akko MonsGeek M1V5 is hard to beat. Links to all the keyboards are in the description below with coupons and discounts. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.